Hi, this is Jamie from WC Vendors, and today we're going to be talking about shortcodes. There are shortcodes available for both WC Vendors Marketplace and WC Vendors Pro. Some of these shortcodes are required, while others allow you to customize your marketplace, provide more functionality throughout various parts of your stores. The required shortcodes are related to setting the vendor dashboard in both WC Vendors Marketplace and WC Vendors Pro. It can also be used to provide a vendor list page, which looks like this. We have created a new cleaner design which will be available in our next version of WC Vendors Marketplace. We do provide some general shortcodes including WCV step sold by. We include general shortcodes such as sold by, which allows you to embed the sold by link that is on the single product page anywhere you want by using a theme builder such as Elementor. We do have a lot of vendor product related shortcodes which I've listed on this page. That includes the ability to show the vendor's recent products, all of the vendor's products. If you've enabled featured products for a particular vendor, then you can use this shortcode featured products to show those products anywhere on your site you want. You can show vendors' products that are on a sale for a particular vendor, the top rated products that are on sale, the best selling products that are on sale, a particular category for a particular vendor. In this case, we're showing clothing. The vendor product shortcodes are very helpful if you want to create news articles or promotional landing pages that focus specifically on one vendor. WC Vendors Marketplace and WC Vendors Pro have two independent vendor list shortcodes. The one for WC Vendors Marketplace is a simple one that uses the Gravatar system to provide the store icon. We have added a snippet here that hooks into Pro and uses the store's icon. This snippet is available on our documentation site. The WC Vendors Pro list uses a banner-like listing as opposed to a grid. If you're using a page builder like Elementor, you can use the vendor detail shortcode to create your own store headers by extracting the information using the shortcode. The information available for this shortcode listed here, including the store name, PayPal address, the seller information, store description, both the banner and store icons, address information, the long and lat if you've enabled Google Maps, city, state, country, their sold by, and a link for view store, as well as their ratings and social icons. The shortcodes provided by WC Vendors makes it quick and easy for you to be able to customize your marketplace as you see fit. In the near future, we'll be creating Gutenberg block editor compatible versions of all of our shortcodes and widgets. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. You can contact us via our website at wcvendors.com, or you can tag us on Twitter at WC Vendors.